How does applying glycerin on hair benefit the hair?
Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to unveil the secrets of a common, yet often overlooked ingredient in your beauty regimen, glycerin. We will specifically talk about how applying glycerin on your hair can make a world of difference.
What is glycerin?
Before we delve into its benefits, let's understand what glycerin actually is. Glycerin, also known as glycerol, is a colorless, odorless, and viscous liquid that is sweet-tasting and non-toxic. It's a popular ingredient in many cosmetic and personal care products, including hair care products, due to its excellent moisturizing properties.
How does glycerin benefit your hair?
Now, let's uncover the magic of glycerin for your hair. Hydration powerhouse glycerin is a humectant, which means it can attract moisture from the environment and lock it into your hair. This helps in hydrating your hair and scalp, preventing dryness and brittleness, thereby making your hair healthier and shinier. Promotes hair growth by maintaining a healthy and well-moisturized scalp. Glycerin indirectly encourages hair growth. A dry and flaky scalp can hinder hair growth, but with the moisturizing properties of glycerin, your scalp gets the right environment to let your hair thrive. Fights dandruff and scalp irritations. Glycerin's soothing properties make it a great remedy for dandruff and other scalp irritations. By moisturizing the scalp and reducing dryness, it can effectively combat these common hair problems. Adds shine and bounce. Glycerin coats the hair strand, adding a natural shine and softness. It also helps in defining the hair structure, particularly for curly and wavy hair types, adding bounce and vitality to your hair.
How to use glycerin on hair?
You might be wondering, how should I use glycerin on my hair? Here are some tips. You can directly apply glycerin on your scalp and hair, but it's usually better to dilute it with water or mix it with your regular hair oil before application. Also, glycerin can be found in many hair care products like shampoos, conditioners, and hair masks. You can always check the ingredients list of your favorite products. Remember, everyone's hair is unique, so you might need to experiment a bit to find the perfect way to incorporate glycerin into your hair care routine. And that's a wrap. Glycerin might be a humble ingredient, but its benefits for hair are immense. It hydrates your hair, promotes hair growth, fights dandruff, and adds a natural shine to your locks. Next time when you're planning your hair care routine, don't forget to include this wonder ingredient. Hope you found this video informative. Keep smiling and keep shining.